Alright, so we're going to Rainforest Cafe, which is pretty much the reason I came to Vegas. And we lost Angelica. We can't start our adventure without her.
Yeah.
Okay, so we found our friend Angelica. We're back here. There was a storm that I cut out of the vlog earlier, not because it scared me, because I physically ran out of the building, because I had to check something. So now it's time to actually eat. I'm so excited. Careful, Joe, there might be snakes. I might get that. So happy. Now, legend says there are storms going on in here every 20 to 22 minutes from Sarah from the front desk. So our job is to leave before that because I can't do that. As you can see here, we have a couple elephants behind Angelica.
Yeah.
And there's like a starry night thing. There's a butterfly there. And by my calculations, it might be storming in the next 15 minutes or so, so we gotta hurry up and eat and get out of here. I think the storm's starting, but I can't be sure. This monkey's going ape shit. And the elephant's frozen, but that just might be a technical issue. I think something's happening. Okay, verdict. That was a lot scarier as a kid. Thank you.
There we go. Okay, so catch up.
Yeah.
Would you like to do just the baked chicken $10?
Alright, so we're leaving Rainforest Cafe, and I got this stupid cup. I don't think I've been happier in the past, I don't know, 2-3 years. So this is a really good call on our part, I think. Thank you, Joel and Angelic, for letting me come here.
Well, thanks, Colin. For your birthday, we'll go again.
Okay. Before we go, I want to show you guys what Tracy Tree looks like again, in case you forgot from the beginning. Maybe she's changed a little bit. Beautiful, look at that face. Oh, ah, gross. Go. Go. Stop. And that's Rainforest.
That's so good.
Yeah, she looked at me.